AI is changing photography fast. But it's not exactly what people think. It's not killing photography. It's just quietly getting rid of the boring parts, the average and the mediocre. Just like digital killed film. But if we're honest, it was probably inevitable anyway. So the real question is, which photographers lose relevance and which ones become more valuable? AI is destroying something that used to be important, technical skills. Now, AI does it in seconds. It's basically gone from 4 hours of editing to click of a button and you go make yourself a cup of coffee. AI can create also images without a camera. You type something and boom! Client-ready visuals, no shoot, no cost, no models, no headache. So this hits hard certain photography fields, stock photography, basic product shoots, real estate. These are gone because these are predictable, repeatable, and AI loves that. But there's one thing AI cannot replace: real human moments. Think about weddings. Wedding photographers might actually be safer than ever. AI can create a perfect wedding image, but it cannot capture your wedding day. The chaos, the emotions, the missed cues, the magic moments. Also, AI is not dealing with your drunk uncle on the dance floor. That's a human job. Same with portraits. People don't want fake versions of themselves. Maybe some do, but not the good ones. They want real ones on a good day. So weddings, events, portraits, these are getting stronger because as fake images increase, the real ones matter more. And authenticity counts. Thinking AI can replace real portraits is like buying a fake watch, keeping it in your drawer and be happy about it. And if you do that, you probably need to see someone. Now, commercial photography, product photography, low-end work under pressure, but high-end work still strong because brands need ideas, they need concepts, they need vision, they need authenticity. Landscapes, wildlife photography, I'm not so sure. AI can do landscapes better than you do. AI can give you best images of animals in the wild. Why would you compete with it? I don't know. So where does that leave you? If your work is based on real moments, people and authenticity, then you're safe. If not, you need to reconsider hard your life choices. And here's the big truth. AI is not removing photography. It's removing average photography. And what's left becomes more valuable. So, what should you do? First, move up the value chain. Second, use AI, embrace it, understand it. Third, build a personal brand because AI can copy images, but AI cannot copy you. The future is not competing with AI. It's understanding where AI has no advantage and positioning yourself there. If you do that, you don't just survive. You will thrive, you will come out ahead. Thanks for watching.